Hi everyone! So, today, may appointment kami sa Toyota kasi may ipapa-change si Fritz sa oil, something. So, iniwan muna namin yung kotse dyan. Tapos, while waiting, kasi it will take 2 hours, lalakad-lakad or mamamasyal muna kami dun sa may downtown Ottawa. So, ito na, nakasakay na kami ng bus. So, masayang-masaya yung mga bata kasi nakasakay sila ng bus. So, ito yung public transportation dito sa Ottawa. May bus tsaka train. So, ito, bus. Isang sakayan lang papunta dun sa mall na pupuntahan namin. So, sumakay lang kami ng bus 14. Tapos, ang fare is $3.75. Good for 2 hours na yun. So kung hindi ka naman masyadong magtatagal, balikan na yung fare na yun. Pero may card din sila na monthly kung everyday kayo magkukommute. So ito na, malamig sa labas guys. So kaya medyo naka-bundle up kami kasi wala pang snow sa time na to, pero malamig, mahangin kasi, tapos yung hangin yung nagdadala ng lamig. So it's a 20-minute ride bago makarating dun sa mall. So yung pupuntahan naming mall is the CF Redo Center, which is yung mall sa downtown Ottawa. So sa pag-ride naman ng bus, kung mamamanage mo lang talaga yung time mo, hindi ka malilate kung saan ka pupunta. Kaya nga lang, medyo hindi siya mabilis kasi nga marami siyang stops on the way. After 24 minutes, nakarating din kami sa Paroroonan. So, yung bus, guys, na sinakyan namin, sa tapat talaga ng mall, nagsastop. So, may stop siya sa tapat ng mall. So, yan, Redo Mall. So, hindi siya hassle. Lalo na kung may mga kasama kang mga anak mo or marami kayong nakasakay sa bus.
Yeah.
Ito na yung mall, guys. So, magka-cross lang kami at andyan na ang mall. So, usually ito yung mall na pinupuntahan ng mga turista kapag nagpupunta sa Ottawa kasi nasa downtown ito at accessible siya by train and by bus. Maraming tao dito, guys. So, pasok na tayo. Ayan na, nakapasok na kami. So, magtitingin-tingin lang kami, guys, kasi meron din namang mga sale, pero wala naman talaga kaming bibilhin. So, tingin-tingin lang while waiting na matapos yung appointment namin sa Toyota. So, ang plano namin is babalik kami before 2 hours para hindi kami makabili ulit ng ticket sa bus, 'di ba? Kasi dalawa kami, libre yung mga bata, so $3.75, so nagbayad ako ng $8. So, kung ma-expire yun, magbabayad ulit kami ng $8. So, we'll just stay here for around an hour and 30 minutes hanggang lang matawagan kami na ready na yung sasakyan na pick-upin. So, may nakita akong jacket na naka-sale, itinry ko kung pwede ba. think it's nice.
I don't like black.
Huh?
I don't like black.
Why not?
I only like red black.
Get closer.
Little mirror. Here.
Oh! It's nice, eh? It's nice.
It's so big. Everyone.
It's not big. It's a...
The big boy will find you. The big boy will find you.
I see them. I see them.
Oh no, it's trying to be.
I see them.
Wala kang jacket.
Nice of you.
Lumabas na kami sa Zara, wala din naman akong nabili. Nagpunta kami dito sa katapat na boutique, which is may mga laruan kasi gusto ng mga bata na magtitingin-tingin. Hindi naman sila nagpabili, guys. In-explore lang nila yung store kasi ang daming mga bago sa paningin nila.
You turn it off and then you throw it in the air and it will come back to your hands like a boomerang.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But there's blades inside.
Hey, look.
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
know how did this work. We can't put it back together. Look. Look, Kuya. This.
Oh my. Look at this. A 5x5. I don't even know how to solve this. It's a 5
What's that?
It's a Mario hat.
for the car.
And no way. There'll be a toy inside like the same picture of this.
Oh, yeah?
And then there's another one inside and there's another one inside the small.
Look, there's liquid inside. Wait.
What's that?
Pseudo figures.
Oh!
What are those?
There's even Minnie Mouse over here.
Minima?
Yeah, over here. A Funko Minnie Mouse.
I
But
don't
it's a mystery box, so you
Over
wouldn't
there.
know what's inside.
bother me.
They even have Zoro's sword from One Piece.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
We're going out.
Games. Where is it?
So, punta tayo dun sa iba pang stores. So, susunod nating papasukan is itong toy store pa din. Ang tawag ay Imaginaire. So, gustong-gusto nila Kian mag-explore dyan. Kahit wala naman kaming bibilhin, tingin-tingin lang sila kasi ang daming choices, guys. Ang dami mong makikita. May Legos, may mga Naruto. So, yan yung current hilig ni Kian ngayon. So, pinapasok namin sila para makatingin-tingin sila kahit hindi naman sila nagpapabili.
Hello. What's that here?
A Rubik's Cube.
Medyo malaki tong toy store na to, guys, kasi may second floor siya. So sa second floor, doon natin makikita yung mga collectibles para sa mga collectors. So may mga ano ba yon, Pikachu ata, tapos may mga libro or iba't ibang uri na pwede nyong i-collection sa bahay.
Cutie. Look at Mega Bloks Pokemon.
Oh yeah! You can get some money here.
Give me this fake, right?
No, it's real.
Real?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like a water bottle.
What is this? What is this for?
What's that, Kayla? Huh?
I don't know. What's a gun? Horns. Wow. Can I get that sword? Yeah, give me that sword. I want to get a small sword.
Look at these books.
Babe, can you give me that sword? This small one?
This one? Lego Titanic.
Titanic?
Yeah, Titanic. Big set.
Hindi rin kami nagtagal dito sa store, guys. Mga 30 minutes lang siguro or 45. Umalis na din kami kasi tumawag na yung sa Toyota na ready na daw yung sasakyan na pick-upin. So, para naman makatipid din kami sa pamasahe, hindi na kami nag-intay pa na ma-expire yung ticket. So, after this store, bumaba ulit kami, lumabas ng mall at saka abang ng bus. So, andito na kami. Ready na yung sasakyan. So, pauwi na kami after, guys. So, ito yung parts and services ng Toyota dealership dito sa Ottawa. So, may dalawa silang building. Yung isa, yung sa mga showroom. Tapos yung isa dito sa parts and services. So, dito nyo ihahatid yung sasakyan kapag may ipapaservice kayo na change oil or kahit anong services at parts na need nyong ipa-change sa sasakyan nyo. So, it was a quick service. We are satisfied. So, ayan na, pauwi na kami. Thank you for watching.